Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to download, install and play games on a Samsung Smart TV. I'm not talking about PlayStation or Xbox games, but the games provided by Samsung itself for the Smart TV. So let's check it out. Samsung may not show this directly, but they do have a small database of games which we can install and play. To access that, take your Samsung Smart TV remote, press home and go to the app section, this one, and select this. Here we can see the list of apps we can use on our TV, but if we go down at the very bottom, we will find this section called genre, and here we can find game section. Just select that and it will open a new screen with all the games available for us to download, install and play on a smart TV. We have a lot of known games here. For example, we have 2048, this game, and we also have we have chess here, we have Tetris here. All these are small games, but these are good for time pass. We have the flying fish game here. So these are the games I have on my Samsung Smart TV. Suppose if I want to install a game, which game? This game, I just have to select this and I have to select the install option here. That's all we have to do. And select the open option. We can use the TV remote to manage the game. Settings, high score, new game. I can use the TV remote to play the game. I'm not sure how this works. Okay. Yeah. Out. We can use our TV remote to play all these games, or we can also use a third-party gaming controller like this PS5 controller to play the games. We just have to connect to the TV using Bluetooth. Okay. About settings. Okay. New game. Let me check the buttons first. Up. Okay. Block. Attack. Mute. Back button. Okay. Attack. Okay, nice. Okay, so that's all we have to do. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section regarding playing games on Samsung Smart TV. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.